Sound test 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay, mag-update tayo ng basic practical chart analysis para sa ating BTC na nasa all-time high na ngayon, July 17, 2025. Ang ating Bitcoin, na-hit nito yung pinaka all-time high natin na 120,000 US dollar. But right now, nasa trading ito ng 118,000 US dollar yung kanyang pinaka-present actual price ngayong July 17, 2025. Para maunawaan natin, i-discuss natin yung mga Bitcoin halving stages ng ating BTC. Plinat ko itong blue line o vertical blue line para sa ating Bitcoin halving stages. First, nangyari ito noong November 2012, second halving July 2016, third halving itong May 2020 at yung pinaka-present noong April 2024 this year. At yung future coming siya by approximately March 2028. Mostly yung Bitcoin bull market natin nangyayari siya after the halving. Yung first bull market natin to the all-time high, nangyari ito after ng halving noong July 2016, and then second itong after halving ng May 2020, pump din dito to the all-time high. And then lastly, itong present natin after the halving ngayong April 2024, nagpump uli siya to the all-time high. Gamitan natin ito ng monthly chart para makita natin. Iangat natin to. Yan. Yung first Bitcoin bull market natin to the all-time high, nangyari ito noong December 2017. Na-hit niya yung almost $20,000. Next, itong second all-time high natin, na-hit yung 62 up to 68,000 US dollar. Ito ay nangyari naman noong March 2021. And then yung second na all-time high ng halving na ito is October 2021. Then yung present natin nangyari ngayon, yan, na-hit natin itong pinaka all-time high natin o latest all-time high na 123,000 US dollar noong July 2025 o ngayong July 2025 siya. Base din sa ating chart history, yung pinakaunang all-time high natin na 20,000 US dollar, na-hit natin siya after the halving, almost 1.5 year. Umabot ito ng December 2017 after halving noong July 2016. Then yung second all-time high natin, na-hit naman natin itong 62,000 US dollar after the halving noong May 2020. Yung pinaka first nito is nangyari March 2021, And second pump nito, na-hit naman yung 68,000 US dollar noong September 2021 after the halving ng May 2020. Almost around more than a year din, or 1.5 year. Then yung pinaka latest na pumping natin, na-hit naman natin yung 100,000 US dollar after the halving ng April 2024, Ito yung present natin na pump. Nagpump ito ng 100,000 US dollar noong November 2024. Ang halving naman nito is April 2024. How many months? Nagpump na siya and then nagtuloy ulit. Umabot ng 110,000 US dollar, and then yung pinaka-latest, umabot na ng 123,000 US dollar ngayong July naman ito. Yan, kung bibilangin natin from dito sa kanyang pinaka-present na halving noong April 2024, nagpump na ito ng almost April, May, June, July, August. July, 3 months pa lang after the halving. At ito yung binabantayan ng karamihan, itong bull market natin, Kasi ito nga yung nagiging optimistic almost lahat ng mga traders at mga investors natin dahil paakyat ng paakyat yung market. Yun yung nagiging mindset ng tao, yung tinatawag nilang FOMO o fear of missing out. And after the bull market, hanggang mahit natin yung pinaka all-time high, ang history ng ating Bitcoin nagkakaroon ito ng to the downside, no, o bear market naman. Yan. Yan yung babantayan natin, no. From the all-time high, makikita nating bumabagsak talaga ito. At ito yung pinaka latest, no. Dahil nasa bull market pa lang tayo, paakyat siya ng paakyat. Pero later on, makakakita rin tayo na mag-downside ito, no? Before the halving naman. Okay? Ng 2028. Estimate din natin yung to the downside ng market after the bull market. Sukatin natin siya based from the chart. Itong unang pumping natin ng $20,000. Kung mapapansin nyo, almost umabot ito ng 80%, no? Around 80% siya. Then next, itong all-time high natin ng $68,000. Check natin pababa. Yung downside din nito is umabot ng 75%. Then lastly, itong sa atin, i-estimate na lang natin, no? Itong pinaka-present, pwedeng umabot ito ng 50 to 60%. Based from the chart history, sukatin din natin yung magiging future na bear market downside ng ating market. Itong Bitcoin natin, pwedeng kung 50%, i-assume natin siya na 50% downside. Almost papatak ito ng $62,000, no, kung magda-drop ito from the latest all-time high na $123,000. Pero kung worst case, sukatin din natin siya, i-assume natin na almost 70% yung drop nito. Yan, kung 70%, nasa $36,000 naman papatak ito. Kaya pwedeng dito tayo mag-trade, no, sa part na ito. Yung pinaka worst case scenario natin during the bear market, bago ulit umakyat after the halving, no, na itong 2028 natin. Kaya para sa ating mga newbie o beginner na gustong pumasok sa ating Bitcoin trading o cryptocurrency, ito yung bantayan natin, no? Kasi si Bitcoin yung ating leaders of all cryptocurrency. Once na umakyat ito, umaakyat almost lahat ng ating mga cryptocurrency. And then pag nag-drop naman ito, almost mauunang nagda-drop yung ating mga altcoins. Kaya kung gusto nyong pasukin itong cryptocurrency, be aware, no, na alamin ninyo yung entry point at exit point ninyo kasi almost nag-top na. Nasa top na tayo ng all-time high ng ating BTC. And then ang kasunod niyan is magkakaroon na tayo ng bear market. Hindi lang natin alam kung hanggang saan yung pinaka-top nito. Pero para sa akin, almost nasa topping point na tayo ng ating pinaka all-time high for this halving, no? Kaya halimbawa gusto mong pasukin to at hindi mo siya babantayan, antayin mo na lang, i-ready mo yung capital and then dito ka pumasok, no, once the bear market started, no? At saka kung mahit na yung pinaka downside naman ng ating crypto market. In reality, maraming nasusunog sa ating crypto market dahil sa maling strategy at sa paggamit ng fear of missing out. Pero makakaiwas tayo doon basta tandaan lang natin at i-apply yung strategy ni Warren Buffett. Be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful.